That's not gonna work. That's not sturdy. But y'all don't mind this, but I'm in the middle of taking down my hair. Yeah, so anyway, so what's up YouTube? It's your girl Triana Kishay back again with another YouTube. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. If you are not, then welcome back. So y'all not, this gonna be like a quick little intro and whatnot because as you see, I am taking my hair down and gonna try to redo it. Not the sew-in, but I'm gonna try to do these soft locks. I ordered these already done soft locks from off of Amazon. And I like them. I see this girl on TikTok doing them. I'm gonna insert the video right now. But I'm gonna try to do that later on tonight. Or if I don't get it done tonight, at least part my hair tonight, half of it, and then do the other half tomorrow. But I actually have to wash my hair because it's dirty. Little do y'all know. So I wanted to give y'all a heads up. So come with me and try to do my hair, y'all. I know I look rough, but I'm not gonna look rough for long. So don't think punk. So don't think. Finish taking the rest of this down, and I'll see y'all tomorrow or when I'm washing. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm parting it and washing it because I have to let my batteries charge. I gotta go get my car, but we gotta go get my car in the morning, so I'm not gonna be able. I'm gonna be doing my hair all day. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, we just picked my car up. Don't mind my head. I look a fucking hot mess. But I gotta go to the hair store. Yo, I look fucking right now. That's what it's like loving. Okay. I need to remember what I came here for. But y'all, we made it to the hair store. He a little cool Asian nigga, but I kind of parked far, but not really. We came here for this. But I'm thinking I want to get to the car because I'm going to get copyrighted. For what? Thank you. You as well. We went out the right door this time, but last time we didn't go out the right damn door. Yeah, but you can tell that I'm from Michigan because look what the fuck I have on. I have fucking sweats and a hoodie on. But that's how you know I'm not doing nothing because of what I got on. If you a girl and you drive, lock your motherfucking car. Protection or not, lock your car. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I felt sweet doing it. I'm gonna part my hair and then try to part my hair. I need to go to the upstairs mirror though. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I part my hair because that's gonna take the longest. Alright, y'all. Battery's not finna die, but like it's at 3. I don't know what I'm doing all the way, but I had my auntie just put random boxes and kind of boxes in my head. Like some of them could be split into 2, so I might end up splitting them into 2 different braids because some of them are bigger than others. But I put one of them in. I seen this girl on TikTok do it. I decided to do it, and then she wrapped it up with this hair right here. with 3 of them, but I bought 2 of them just in case. But I don't know what but I might cut it in half.
Now, girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one night. How far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, work out for me.
God damn, it is cold out here. What do, bitches? Hold on, because yesterday I just had on
the wind wake you up?
It always does.
That's why the shit finna take forever, because you want to take breaks and shit.
A few minutes later.
Oh, that was the best thing that ever happened to me.
I'll get back to y'all when either I'm done or I'll get to y'all when I'm done. At least when I got like 4 left. I'll get to y'all when I got like 4 left. Guys, time checking is 9:26. I'm almost done, but I know because some of them, well, 2 of them are bigger than what I wanted them to be, and I'm gonna make it smaller. But we're almost done. We probably gonna be done by like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. But I'll check back in. If y'all want to see from a different angle, I can. But I decided to call my computer, see, because you can see the back of my head right there off my iPad. This is how handy. So y'all see that? Y'all see that? I see y'all. Yeah, this helps a lot, but it looks good though for me to do it. I see it. I don't know if y'all can see, but oh well. I'm just gonna tell them I'm a beginner at this, so hold on, let me zoom out. I'm just gonna tell them I'm a beginner at this, so my business, and I part of it myself, so I don't care. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I'm done, basically.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next morning, and it's currently 10:06. I haven't showered or anything. Don't try to call me dirty. Don't try to get on me like that, but I literally just woke up. I have like 5 left, so yeah. But I went to sleep with this bonnet. Y'all, this bonnet came in clutch. Completely. So this that bonnet you need for box break. But I have 5 left, so y'all finna see me finish the rest. And I'm watching Station 19, I think.
Your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out.
Oh, he's fine. So, like, we're okay.
You okay?
Fine. Let's do these over my personal limit.
Are you sure nothing else will left?
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, just stop. Oh, I'm supposed to be looking at you.
You getting there? No.
Yeah, here. You have me track that chemistry?
I guess I'm here with me, actually.
I know. I'll let you know. Sorry, I'm not TK. Right off. Appreciate that. You got me over from your wife.
So I stopped the camera because I got literally this is the last one, and yeah, I cannot believe I just did my own hair. I mean, like, I've did my own hair before, but not in this. Like I like them, and I only use 3 packs. I still hold on 3 packs, I believe. Maybe 3 or 4. It came with 6. It came with 6, and then it came with a crochet needle, and then these lashes. I don't wear lashes, y'all, but today I might try that. I think I'm gonna run out of storage because it say 3 minutes at the top, 3M. And I think that's I got like 3 minutes left of recording, 2 minutes now. But yeah, I'm just gonna Hold on, let me put the last couple things here. I might not be able to end out this video. Yeah, storage full. But I might not be able to, I'm just going to end this video out right here. So if you guys like this video, don't mind my edges. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to YouTube for more videos. And if you want to see me doing more videos of me doing my hair, let me know and I will try. This is a learning experience for both of us. But yeah, I got the hair off of Amazon. I put the picture of what it looks like on there. And this is the 24-inch. It was a 31, but I didn't like it. Here goes the back. If you can't see, I'll put in pictures if you are need. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to YouTube for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.